Shield technology.
Introducing the S8-DL 180, a 2x4 megapixels camera with a stunning 180-degree view. Experience dual-way voice communication with the built-in mic and speaker, enhanced by AI-powered human detection for smarter surveillance, including human counting, face recognition, and event monitoring. The durable full-metal body for superior performance and reliability supports 75-degree up and down adjustments. This camera can easily replace two 2.8 lens cameras and cover the same area with just one connection. Designed for easy installation, the camera is best wall-mounted at 3 meters, approximately 10 feet high, covering an area of up to 200 square meters, about 2,150 square feet. At a 65-degree angle, the camera will have a 3 feet blind spot directly at the base of the wall. For optimal coverage when mounting on poles, use 2 units mounted in the same position, each pointing in opposite directions at a 65-degree angle. This configuration ensures a wide field of view with a small blind spot at the center, effectively covering the area without significant gaps. In wide corridor mode, install 2 units at the center of the corridor, each positioned to cover an area of 6 by 20 meters, about 20 by 65 feet, without any blind spots, ensuring complete coverage. When using a single unit in corridor, hoisting mode, it can cover an area of 4 by 20 meters, about 13 by 65 feet, with minimal blind spots, ensuring near-complete coverage. In wall-mounted mode, by pressing down on the camera to adjust its angle, a single unit can achieve a clear view with no blind spots, covering in narrow corridors up to 20 meters, about 65 feet in length. The camera delivers excellent video quality indoors with a low light sensitivity of just 0.1 lux. Outdoors, the camera performs even better, offering excellent picture quality with a light sensitivity of 0.05 lux. In well-lit areas, the camera delivers exceptional picture quality with a sensitivity of 3 lux, ensuring clear visibility and accurate identification.
Shield technology.